Hi, I'm Gary Marsh of Gary Marsh Quality Decorators, and I'm part of the Trade Decorator review team for Trade Decorator TV on YouTube. I better review this product here. It is the ProDec Advanced Saber extension pole for rollers. But before I do that, could you please subscribe to the channel and click the notification button, and you'll be notified of all future reviews by the team. Okay, so let's crack on. Okay, so here we have it here. It's the Saber pole by ProDec Advanced. Why is it different to any other pole? Let's have a quick look. Basically, it's got, let's have a close look here. You've got a light button there which extends it. As you can see there, as I extend it, it's extending here and it's extending there, different from standard poles. So there you can see there, I'll stand back so you can see there. This one is the one at the moment, is 3 foot to 6 foot. So 3 foot there and fully extended, it goes to 6 foot there, which is ideal for ceilings. That's ideal for walls, I would say. But this one, it's got 50 locking mechanisms. I'll just show you here there, just close up. You can see all these here are little grooves where obviously this locks into there. So there's 50 of them all together. I'll just go back. You can see there's quite a few. So basically you can maneuver it just a little bit at a time to suit the area you're working in. See there? Yeah. I'll just show you an existing pole, just so you can see the difference with that. Just a standard pole here. Obviously you've got some of them work differently, but you can see there the locking bits that they're quite distanced apart. See there? There's one there. There's one there. So you're limited to what size you can have it. You know, maybe this one here. I think it's only 1, 2, 4 different sizes you can have on that one. But this one's got 50. That's what I down there. So basically, a little bit of information about it before I go any further. It's got a hardened zinc alloy tip. So under that section there, obviously that's for push-on rollers. You've got your zinc alloy tip there for your screw-on rollers, which I use. So I'll just pop that back on there. Also, it has, let's have a look here. Obviously, I mentioned the 50 locking points, which is a great thing. Rugged aluminium alloy construction. First impressions, it feels sturdy because you get some of these roller poles where they're quite flimsy. You want something sturdy, especially in the trade where you're using it every single day more or less. And it's got an ultra smooth Easi-Glide adjust, which I explained there. That does feel smooth. There's no like clicking and like rocking. It's quite smooth there. And obviously it's got the nice rubber handle there to keep your hand on, because obviously you want some comfort as you go on. And I've just noticed this here, it's got that whole thing there, so I suppose if you've got hooks in your van, you can just hang it on your hook there. So basically I'm going to give this a go now, see what I think. I think first impressions, it's going to be ideal, like I say, an all-rounder really for walls and ceilings, because you've got the big ceilings, you've got to go on to 6 foot. Then for walls where you're just, like I say here, working at a certain height type of thing, it'll be really spot on. So I'm going to give this a go now. What do I want from this? Basically I want it again to be sturdy, which it does feel in the first place. It's ease of use. Anything to make our job easier is great. So I'm going to crack on with a wall over there, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to roll this wall here. It's all been cut in by brush a few minutes ago. As mentioned, I use the roller cages with a screw fixture, so I've screwed it into there. Nice and tight there. It seems to grip pretty nice there, because I've got a couple of roller poles in the van where I'm constantly having to tighten it, because when you're rolling it weakens. Well, I don't know if it weakens, but it just loosens it, so you constantly every few dips you're like got to tighten it type of thing. So it feels as though it's got a good grip there, which you want, because I just want ease of use really, you know what I mean. So I'll start rolling this wall. First impressions, it's very comfortable. Like I say, it's got the rubber handle, which I know most roller poles do have. But like I say, if you're using a roller all day, you want it like nice and comfortable on you, really, because the last thing you need is to have blisters on your hands at the end of the day if you're using things that's something maybe like hard plastic, which you do get some poles where they have got like a hard plastic handle, and this one's like a rubber one. It feels really comfortable. Yeah, so that's going well. so far. Like I say, I've got the 3-foot size for doing this area here, which is ideal for your standard room. Notice here I've got obviously some furniture here, so obviously I might have to pull it out a little bit when I'm going up and down. But I was talking to a rep last week at a trade show, and there's talks to make a smaller version of these, which will be like really spot on for things like bedrooms where it'll be quite contained and cramped, and you got that much off the wall, because you've got loads of furniture, wardrobes, beds and things like that. So I think that'd be a really good idea. But this pole here is ideal for your standard room like this, where you can, if you've had full walls, you can go up and down. It'd be really good for that. The 3-foot height. Obviously this ceiling here is quite a large one, and basically for ceilings I'd probably just knock it up a few, maybe 10, 15 notches, and then that there is spot on height. And obviously, like this room here, I've got loads of furniture in the middle, so you've got to reach over with your roller pole and your cage, so to speak. So you basically just knock it to the full potential there at the 6 foot, and it will reach right over the furniture, which is great. Actually, that reaches probably just past halfway on the ceiling here, so you're getting good scope on your roller. So there we go there. So just a little look at how it works. Yep. So first impressions, I'm really, at first I thought it's a gimmicky, but it seems to do the job. And it's like I said, that bit there is where you've gripped it onto the roller pole there in the cage. It's really tight, so that's not coming loose. That's not going nowhere. So I'll crack on rolling this wall, and then I'll give me a verdict on this roller pole after I've finished it, and let you know what I think. Okay, so here's my verdict on the ProDec Advanced Saber pole. I've been using it all day on ceilings and walls, and I've got to say I'm really impressed by it. I'm a great lover of the fact it's got 50 different locking mechanisms, so you can like just adjust it very slightly. Because like I say, on other poles you can got to do it by a big bit like that, or like that, or like that. Where this one you just basically just minimal. So that's really ideal. So you can like have it adjusted to the height that suits you. So I've been, like I say, using it all day, and that's one of the things that really impresses me about this. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, it's a bit of a gimmick, there's, oh, look at this, it's a lightsaber, hence the name, you know what I mean? But it's really practical, and the ease of use, because you just have to tap that lever there, and it slides and glides. Where some of the other poles you got to press, some of them you have to press 2 levers to adjust it. Where this is just simply gently touch the lever there, and it moves. I like the end here as well. Look, it feels and is quite tightly made. It's got 2 screws in there, so hopefully that will stay nice and sturdy for you. Like I said, when I put the cage on top, it seemed to grip really well. Like I say, when I've been using it today, there's been no need to keep tightening it onto the cage. It's stayed there all day, so that's been great. Like I say, I've been using it for walls and ceilings, and like I say, I hope they do bring a smaller version out with this as well, because it'd be ideal for bedrooms and small spaces where you're quite tight with furniture, and it'd be ideal for getting in them little tight spaces. So what do I think of this? I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. I think it's a really nifty product. It's sturdy. I know there's lots of other poles in the market and things, but I think this it's really good. So give it a go, see what you think. So that's my verdict on this ProDec Advanced Saber pole. I hope you like the review. As mentioned earlier, if you've got any comments, please leave some comments below in the comment boxes and things like that. If you've used it or you wish to use it, or if you've got any questions of when I've been using it, that'd be great, thank you. And as always, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and you'll be notified of any future reviews by the team. Okay, so I'm off to finish rolling some walls. I'll catch you later.